Oh, thank you.
Daddy, eat the hot dog. Eat the hot dog. Eat the hot dog like Play-Doh.
Oh, that's pretty good. Thank you. Here, why don't you take out the rest? I don't need that. You having fun?
Yes.
You like Play-Doh?
Yes. Cheese.
Cheese. What shapes are you making?
I make a triangle.
A triangle. Let me see.
A rectangle.
Rectangle.
Now watch it.
Okay, I'm watching. Okay.
Cheese.
And you get orange purple noodles.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you to Granddad and Ji-Jin?
They could go to the dead.
Alright, good job.